Hello everyone, my name is Farzan Tahir and I am trainer at Language Academy. Guys, today we are here with the very exciting video about one of the very important component of your PT speaking task, which is describe image. Now, we have observed that a lot of people were struggling with describe image. They are like, okay, how to speak it, because if I ask you like fairly, it's very difficult to say something for 40 seconds without any hesitation, without any pauses or anything like that. So today we are coming up with this video with the template of your describe image. The best thing about this particular template is that you can use this particular template for any type of image which you can get in the exam. No matter it's a table, no matter it's a bar graph, line chart, pie chart, or combination of all these things, whatever the image is, you are just going to follow this template and you will get your desired score. Now I will explain about this particular template for a minute. Now again I will say, use this template whatever image you are getting in the real exam. Now your template will begin with the given image gives us information about the title. Now in this particular blank you are going to talk about the particular title which you are getting. Let's say for example you are getting a bar graph and the title is Spanish speaking countries by population. So your describe image will begin with the given image gives us information about the Spanish speaking countries by population. After that you will say it is a very beautiful image and I have to speak for 40 seconds about this image. No matter what kind of images, you are just going to use this particular line there. After that you will just say there are a lot of different elements in the image which are, and now you are going to name those elements. Now these elements are something which is written over x-axis or y-axis. For example, let's say there are some names of the countries given in the y-axis. So you will just say there are a lot of different elements in the image which are America, Canada, Mexico, etc. Okay, so you are going to name all of these elements which are written over there on the x-axis or y-axis. These are your elements. Now after that you will just say one of the element is maximum whereas the other is minimum. Here you are going to name those elements which are maximum or minimum. For example, in your bar graph, USA is maximum and China is the minimum. So what you will do is you will just say USA is maximum whereas China is minimum. After that you will say furthermore there are different trends, variations and numbers in the image which are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If there are any numbers given in the image, you are going to say those numbers. Let's say 0, 10, 40, 30, etc. If there are no numbers given in the image, let's say for example you are getting like a scenery or like a proper image, or let's say you are getting a table where there are no numbers given. So all you have to do is you just have to add this particular line. Furthermore, there are different trends, variations and numbers in the image which are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After that you will say there are different colors in the image which are blue, green, white and red. In the end you will conclude by saying, to conclude, the image gives us a lot of information about the title. Whereas in this case the title was Spanish speaking countries by population, so you will say that again. Now in this way you are going to cover your describe image. This is the easiest template which you can come up with. All you have to do is you just have to worry about 5 things in total. What is the title? What are the elements? What is maximum and minimum? What are the numbers? And what is the color? That's all. All of the other things it will be covered by the template. So if you have just memorized this template, everything will be easy. You will get your desired score. Now as you guys already know that you will be marked on the basis of content, fluency and pronunciation. If you have memorized this template, you will be speaking very fluently. Your pronunciation will be correct, and now with the help of these title, elements and numbers and all that, you have covered all the content. So this is the easiest 15 points which you can get inside your speaking module. Lot of people struggle with this. This is one of the 2 templates which we are using here at Language Academy. I hope it will be a huge help to you guys. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise you can follow this template in whatever image you are getting. Let's say for example you are getting like a process or a cycle. Again you will just say the same thing. The given image gives us information about what is the title of that. Then it's a very beautiful image and I have to speak for 40 seconds. In terms of elements you can change it, but there are different processes in the image which are this and that. Everything else will remain the same. So I hope this video is very helpful for you. Note down this template, memorize it, and it will take care of your fluency, pronunciation as well as the content, and in the end you will get full points in your describe image. Thank you so much.